everyone, back with another keto recipe, little mini corn dogs and onion rings, perfect for the children, but us big kids too, and it's 2 servings. Now this is a little bit on the heavier fat since it's deep fried. You can use an air fryer, or if you do use a deep fryer, only have this once in a while if you're in weight loss. You'll need a package of the little smokies, almond flour, coconut oil, eggs, an onion, pink salt, pepper, liquid stevia, a bowl for mixing, a 1-cupper, a fork, and a deep fryer or air fryer. Now let's get our batter ready with 1 cup of almond flour, 2 eggs, and 2 squirts of liquid stevia to give it that little sweet taste like cornbread. Mix it well, and then let's get our onion rings ready first by cutting up 12 onion rings, different sizes, and then throw it into your batter, mixing it around really well and coating all the onions well. Once it's coated, gently pick each one up with a fork and put it into your hot oil that you've let heat for about 5 minutes on 400. Then you're going to cook these onion rings for 5 to 8 minutes. Pull out, put on a paper towel to drain, add heavily pink salt, light on the pepper. Now let's get our little mini corn dogs ready. It's 2 servings, so it'll be 14 little mini corn dogs. Also mix it around in your batter really well. Pick each one up carefully so it keeps the batter on there and throw it into your hot oil. Again, about 5 to 6 minutes, and then put it on your paper towel as well to drain. Once they're ready, serve up and add a little mustard or a sugar-free ketchup, and it's ready to go. Now, it was 8 total carbs for all of it, so your plate there is only 4 net carbs with the onion rings and the little mini corn dogs and the mustard. But of course, you can use a ketchup too. A sugar-free ketchup would add 1 more carb for a tablespoon of that. But this is a delicious way for children to have a good meal and for you. Let's keep it keto.